Welcome. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to remove a group post from your page home on the Facebook app for PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Facebook update, the process is more streamlined than ever. In this video, I'll walk you through each step so you can take control of your page home feed. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Facebook app open on your PC. If you haven't updated your app yet, take a moment to do so, as the latest features and design changes are only available in the most recent version. Once you're inside the Facebook app, head straight to your page home. Here, you'll see a variety of posts, some from groups that you might not want to display on your main feed. These posts can sometimes clutter up your page home, especially if they're not relevant to your audience. To find the group post you wish to remove, simply scroll down through your page home feed. Take your time and locate the exact post that you want gone. Group posts can look similar to regular posts, so double-check for the group name at the top of the post to ensure you have the right one. When you found the group post, focus your attention to the top right corner of that post. Here, you'll notice a small X icon. This icon is part of the new update and is designed to help you manage your feed with just one click. Go ahead and click on the X icon. Instantly, Facebook will remove the group post from your page home. You might see a quick confirmation message letting you know the post is no longer visible. And that's it. You've successfully removed a group post from your page home using the latest Facebook app on your PC. This simple process gives you more control over what appears on your feed, keeping things clean and relevant for your audience. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks for managing your Facebook experience. Thanks for watching.